Welcome back. Continuing the news. Despite being removed from his post in the Agriculture Ministry, J.C. Hutchinson and other political representatives met with the farmers of the Holland estate in St. Elizabeth this morning. The discussion seemed to have changed the views of the farmers.
The past 2 weeks of controversy surrounding a land transfer arrangement involving SCJ Holdings, Holland Producers Limited, HPL, and farmers at Holland in St. Elizabeth resulted in former Minister without portfolio in the Agriculture Ministry, J.C. Hutchinson, being removed from that post and the affected farmers worried about their future.
As a matter of fact, we were felt insecure. We didn't know where we stand after what happened in the ministry about the land, the Holland land.
However, on Thursday, Mr. Hutchinson, who is the Member of Parliament for Northwestern St. Elizabeth, along with the Councillor for the Lacovia Division, George Powell, met with approximately 100 farmers who are impacted by the shake-up. The 2-hour meeting ended at 1 in the afternoon. Our news team was unable to get a comment from the MP or the councillor. However, the farmers who were willing to speak with us say the changes were explained to them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness instructed that the Holland estate lands should be turned over to the Agriculture Investment Corporation, AIC. That triggered concern among the farmers about their future. However, the farmers say the explanation given at the meeting has allayed those fears.
So we are looking forward to the new company that will be taking over. And we are looking forward that according to plan we'll be able to produce, and hoping that all these plans will come through.
As we said, the biggest problem we're still now is the animal. And there's some discussion how we can get the animal out of it. So, this is good, we can go forward.
The media were not allowed in the meeting. However, it's understood, in addition to the future of the farmers under the management of AIC, they also discussed the plans that were in place and the objectives that were being pushed under J.C. Hutchinson. Some farmers now have a new view of the controversy.
I couldn't really blame him as such, because as I said, it wasn't he who voted in the committee, it was the farmers. And we at the time voted in the lady and some others onto the committee because we felt they could have represented the farmers, you know. So based on what has happened here today, some more details were brought out so that every farmer could understand about the whole scenario.
In addition to his removal from the Agriculture Ministry, Mr. Hutchinson's partner and the mother of his child, Lola Marshall Williams, has resigned from the company and from the board of the Rural Agricultural Development Agency, RADA. Leslie Campbell has replaced Mr. Hutchinson in the Agriculture Ministry.